in this video we will study part second of photosynthesis, which is pigments which are associated with photosynthesis. Yesterday we have discussed the role of different scientists or their contribution related with photosynthesis process. Now the process of photosynthesis require raw material, sunlight and pigments. These are the three components. Raw material is in form of water and carbon dioxide. It is in form of water and carbon dioxide. The most important part in photosynthesis is pigment. So there are three types of pigments or categories of pigments. First one is chlorophyll, second one is carotenoids, and third one is phycobilins. Chlorophyll is divided into 7 types: chlorophyll A, B, C, D, E. Bacteriochlorophyll and bacterioviridin. 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 Now we will discuss about the uh, structure of chlorophyll. It is composed of a head and a tail. The structure of chlorophyll is divided into a head and a tail. Head is called as porphyrin head, Porphyrin, porphyrin head, and tail is called as phytol, Phytol, phytol side chain. I will show you in the diagram also, then it will be very clear. Now the chlorophyll molecule, as you know, has magnesium in center and 4 nitrogen atoms and 4 pyrrole rings attached to nitrogen atom. I will show in diagram. Chlorophyll A has functional group as methyl group at position R. We assume that at position R there is a methyl group and it will represent chlorophyll A. And in chlorophyll B, functional group is aldehyde group, same at position R. Chlorophyll A appear bluish green while chlorophyll B appears olive green, O-L-I-V-E, olive green. These are the different colors representing chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Next, in reflected light, chlorophyll appears red and chlorophyll B appears brownish red. Means कि रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट में क्लोरोफिल ए तो लाल तरीके का दिखेगा और क्लोरोफिल बी ब्राउनिश रेड दिखेगा. इन ट्रांसमिटेड लाइट क्लोरोफिल ए appears green and chlorophyll B appears yellowish green. So different source of light, if reflected then color is different, and if light is in transmitted form then the color of chlorophyll A and B is different. Next part I will explain a diagram or the structure of a chlorophyll A molecule. It is very easy if you understand. I have drawn magnesium in the center, to which I have attached 4 nitrogen atoms, and there is a pyrrole ring, 4 pyrrole ring attached to nitrogen atom, which I have represented as first, second, third, fourth, and additional a fifth ring is called as cyclopentanone ring, and the tail is of fourth pyrrole ring, as I have shown in the diagram, fourth pyrrole ring, to which 20 carbon atoms are attached in the form of chain at carbon number 7. If you see that in first tetrapyral ring, I have numbered first, second carbon, then third, fourth, then fifth, sixth, then seventh, eighth, and attached to fifth, sixth is ninth, tenth. So it is the structure of chlorophyll A. The important part is at the second chiral ring, at carbon number 3, there is a methyl group. मिथाइल CH3 ग्रुप लगा रखा है मैंने, जिसको मैंने R से रिप्रेजेंट कर रखा है. इससे कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप जोड़ा है? मिथाइल. एंड द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्लोरोफिल A एंड क्लोरोफिल B इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ मिथाइल एंड एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप एट कार्बन 3. ये सिर्फ डिफरेंस होता है और सारी चीज उसमें क्लोरोफिल B में सेम ही रहती है, सिर्फ हम ग्रुप चेंज कर देंगे. So the magnesium in center is attached to 4 chiral rings and magnesium is attached to nitrogen of 4 chiral rings. Okay, carbon 3 has position R, to which functional group methyl is attached and it is related with chlorophyll A. The tail or phytol side chain is attached on ring 4th as I have shown in diagram, and at position 7 or carbon 7 chain of 20 carbon is attached. Next, in this diagram the basic difference is about the functional group. सारी चीज़ें सेम है, सिर्फ आपको एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप जो है वो क्लोरोफिल बी में दिखेगा. सेंटर में मैग्नीशियम दिखेंगे, नाइट्रोजन 4 दिख जाएंगे, उससे 4 पायरोल रिंग्स अटैच्ड है, 5वीं को हम साइक्लोपेंटेनॉन रिंग कह देते हैं. ठीक है, ये सारी चीज़ सिमिलर रहेगी. सो द इफ़ यू ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम, द बेसिक डिफरेंस इज अबाउट द ग्रुप विच इज अटैच्ड at carbon 3rd of second chiral ring. So it completes about the structure of chlorophyll. Thank you.